Want to create a Ticketmaster account? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Ticketmaster, or you can head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Now in the address bar, you need to search for Ticketmaster sign up. Scroll down and you'll see the website where it says Create a Ticketmaster account. Click on it. From here, you can simply click on Ticketmaster.com. It will land you on the official website of Ticketmaster. So once you're in this page, click on this profile icon. From here, you can log in or create an account. First of all, enter the active email address and tap on Continue. Once done, now you will need to create a password for your account. After that, enter your first name, last name, country of residence, and then zip code. Once entered, tap on this checkbox and tap on Next. Wait for a while for it to load. Now you will need to end up verifying both of your email address and phone number as well. You simply need to tap on Verify my email and then follow the on-screen process. Similarly, tap on Add my phone and follow the on-screen process. Once it has been verified, your Ticketmaster account will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.